How do I choose the right PVC pipe joint for my plumbing project? Imagine building a water system that lasts, flows smoothly, and is easy to fix if needed. Picking the right PVC pipe joint is a big part of making that happen. When you're working on installation or upgrades, or extending your piping system, the type of joint you choose can make all the difference. First, think about what your system needs. Are you connecting to pipes of the same size? Then a simple coupling will do the job. These are straight connectors that slide over the pipe ends and are glued in place with solvent cement for a permanent, watertight seal. If you need to connect pipes of different sizes, use a reducing coupling. It tapers from one diameter to another, making a smooth transition. Changing the direction of your pipe run? Elbows are your best friends. They come in 45 and 90-degree angles. For sharp turns, a 90-degree elbow is perfect, while a 45-degree elbow offers a gentler bend, which helps keep flow steady. If you're branching off a main line, T-shaped fittings or Ys are ideal. Ys are better for drainage because they promote smoother flow and reduce clogging. Cross fittings are less common but useful if you need to connect for pipes at right angles, often in complex systems. For easy maintenance or future upgrades, consider using unions. These fittings allow you to disconnect sections without cutting the pipe. They are especially handy in tight spaces or when you might need to replace parts later. Compression fittings are another option for small jobs or temporary setups. They use a gasket and nut to create a seal when tightened, making them quick to install and easy to take apart. Now, how you connect these fittings matters too. Solvent welding is the most common method for PVC pipes. It chemically bonds the pipe and fitting, creating a permanent, strong, and watertight connection. Just make sure to clean and dry the pipe ends before applying the cement. Gasket or O-ring joints involve a bell end with a molded gasket. When you push the pipe into the gasket, it seals tightly, but these joints need proper support to prevent separation under pressure. Threaded fittings are less common but can be used in some applications where mechanical connections are needed. When choosing your joint, always match the fitting size to your pipe's nominal size. For example, if your pipe is 1¼ inches in diameter, use fittings labeled for that size. Also, consider the pressure and temperature your system will face. For higher pressure or temperature situations, Schedule 80 PVC fittings are stronger and more durable. For drainage or sewer systems, fittings like Ys and sanitary tees help maintain smooth flow and prevent clogs. If you plan to extend your system or do upgrades, think about future access. Unions and threaded fittings make disassembly easier. For quick repairs or temporary setups, compression fittings are practical. Always check local plumbing codes to ensure your fittings meet safety standards. In the end, choosing the right PVC pipe joint depends on your pipe size, system layout, flow needs, and how permanent or flexible you want the connection to be. Use solvent-welded fittings for strong, permanent bonds. Opt for gasket fittings when flexibility is needed, and mechanical fittings like unions for easy maintenance. Support and align your pipes properly during installation to keep everything sealed tight and working smoothly.